Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt pressured to respond quickly, even when you didn't fully understand what you were feeling yet? That sense of urgency doesn't come from clarity. It comes from conditioning. After long periods of psychological adaptation, the mind learns that speed equals safety. Respond quickly. Decide fast. Explain now. Delay feels dangerous, not because something bad will happen, but because silence was once punished with tension, withdrawal, or emotional instability, so urgency becomes internal. Even when no one is asking for an answer, your mind pushes for resolution. It wants closure before understanding, peace before clarity. This is how emotional pressure works. It doesn't force decisions. It accelerates them. When someone benefits from your quick responses, your hesitation feels disruptive. When you stop reacting immediately, discomfort appears. That discomfort is often misinterpreted as a sign that something is wrong. But urgency is not intuition. It is a learned response. Psychological autonomy requires slowing down internal speed, allowing thoughts to remain unfinished, allowing emotions to exist without immediate translation, giving yourself time without interpreting it as failure. The need to respond quickly often hides a deeper fear, the fear that delay will cause rejection, that silence will cause distance, that taking time will create instability. But clarity cannot be rushed. Decisions made under emotional pressure rarely reflect true alignment. They reflect survival patterns. Notice how your body reacts when you don't answer right away. Notice the tension, the impulse to explain, the urge to justify delay. These reactions are not signs of wrongdoing. They are echoes of old environments where speed was required to maintain connection. You are allowed to take time. You are allowed to think slowly. You are allowed to feel uncertainty without resolving it immediately. When you slow down, influence weakens. Emotional pressure loses leverage. Your mind begins to separate urgency from truth. This is not avoidance. This is regulation. Regulation feels uncomfortable when your system was trained to respond, not reflect. But each moment of delay rebuilds internal authority. Each pause restores psychological space. If these conversations help you recognize patterns and feel more grounded in your own timing, follow Dark Mind Theory, where we explore the mind, influence, and psychological autonomy. And remember this: urgency is not clarity. Sometimes, taking your time is the clearest response you can give.